The Game of Life and How to Play It, by Florence Scovel Shinn, has been a beloved self-help classic for over 90 years. But does this book still hold relevance in today's world? The Game of Life and How to Play It is a self-help book that uses spiritual and metaphysical principles to help readers achieve success and happiness in all aspects of their lives. Florence Scovel Shinn explains how to use positive thinking, visualization, and affirmations to overcome obstacles and manifest one's desires. She also shares stories of real-life examples and teaches readers how to tap into their own inner wisdom to make decisions and take actions that lead to success and fulfillment. Shinn's book has been praised for its practical and accessible approach to spirituality and personal growth. Her teachings on the power of positive thinking and affirmations have inspired countless readers to take control of their lives and achieve their dreams. However, some critics have argued that her focus on individual success and wealth can be seen as overly materialistic and disconnected from larger social and political issues. Overall, The Game of Life and How to Play It is a valuable resource for anyone seeking to improve their lives through spiritual and metaphysical principles. Shinn's teachings are clear, practical, and inspiring, and her stories and examples make the concepts accessible to readers of all backgrounds. While some may disagree with her focus on individual success and wealth, the principles she teaches can be applied to any aspect of life. I recommend this book to anyone seeking to harness the power of positive thinking and give it a rating of 4 out of 5 stars. We would love to hear your feedback. Please subscribe, like, share our video review, and please don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you.